I mean, like my dad. My dad.
Before the world of electronics, iPhones, iPods, there was a whole other world called paper football. Today I will be teaching you how to flick, fold, and play paper football. Let's get started with folding. Now folding is a series of hot dog style and making triangles and can be confusing, but I'll leave it here. So what you're first going to want to do is hold your piece of paper hot dog style. Make sure the paper is lined up and you crease it. It should look like this. Everyone see that? Alright, then what you're going to want to do is fold it again hot dog style. Okay? And make sure your creases are very creasy fold because you need a creasy fold. Okay, and it should look like this. Now this is one of the only tricky parts of making paper football. This is pretty easy. You're going to want to take the bottom right corner and fold it up so it's parallel to the left side. It should form a triangle like so. Everyone see that? Just fold it out like that. And once you have that, you're going to want to take the bottom point of this triangle and fold it up so it is again parallel to the left side. And basically what you're going to want to do is just follow that pattern. Just up, over, then up, and then over. All the way until you get to the very top where you're going to have excess paper. And I'll show you what you do with that. If anyone needs help, you can just ask me. Because I made a couple free paper footballs if you need help. Or ask your neighbor next. So the final step, it should look like this. Is everyone there? Is everyone there? Okay. What you're gonna then want to do is take the excess paper and just slide it into this little slit right here. There should be a little slit. You see that? And you're gonna want to take this paper and just put it right in there. It's gonna be like a little lumpy. It's going to be like a little lumpy, but then you can just flatten it out at the end. And the end product should look something like this. Okay? Does everyone see that? Alright, now that we all know how to fold a paper football, it's time to learn how to play. Now, how many people here know how to play paper football? Good, no one. Okay. If you don't know, no worries, I will teach you. Now, can I have 2 volunteers to come up? Mark and Evan. Yeah, come up. We're going to be the demonstration of how to play. Alright, so you're going to want to have a partner, and you're going to want to sit at opposite ends of a table or a desk. And you're going to want to take turns. You're going to want to take turns sliding the football across the desk. And your goal is trying to get it so half of the paper football hangs off the desk like this. This is called a touchdown. So Mark can slide it. Alright, cool. He just scored a touchdown. Alright, so now that Mark scored, it's going to go back to him. And he's going to try to flick it into Evan's goal. You make a goal. No, that was good. You make a goal like this. And you're going to want to try to make it right in between there, just like regular football. And there's 3 ways to flick a paper football. For distance, height, and then all around. If you want to go for distance, you flick it like this. You hold your paper football. Can everyone see? And you flick it towards the bottom, and it will just launch really, really far. Okay? And if you want to go for height, like if the field goal is higher, you're going to want to hold it like this and flick it up. And all around, you're going to want to hold it like this. And that is for height and for distance. Alright. Alright, so now that you know how to flick it, I want everyone to take your paper football you just made and flick it to the front of the class. Alright, so ready, set, go. Sorry. Everyone. There's a few other ways. kick a paper football, but those are the three most basic ways. So now that you know how to play paper football, instead of texting while the teacher isn't looking, you can easily just play paper football and flick it across the room. Thank you.